Hello, you're watching Unboxing Things. On this show, we unbox your favorite brands and we talk all about the box itself because I'm the founder of Lumi, and at Lumi we help modern brands source and manage their packaging supply chain. So let's see what's in my mailbox today. Okay. Ooh, all right, this is Package Free Shop. Package Free Shop is a really clever company. And yes, even though they're trying to strive for package free, I really support them because I think it's great to save the world from any extraneous packaging, which is exactly what they do. You can buy all sorts of essential items for your life from their website, and they come with minimal or no packaging. I have a feeling it's going to be a very philosophical episode because we're going to analyze the packaging of Package Free Shop. First up, it says on a couple panels, "I'm not trash," packagefreeshop.com. And this is a cool way of communicating that this box is actually a physical item that is not trash. It's not meant to be perceived that way, and they're coming right out the gate with a message to you about that. Another thing I can tell is that they're using craft tape. I spy with my little eye a different, non-standard type of tape here. They're using an adhesive style of craft tape. It's fairly rare, actually. I mean, it's something that you can get online, but it's not something that's super common. A lot of brands just use clear plastic tape, but this brand is intentionally trying to avoid single-use plastics, so they've gone with craft. Also, of course, you've got your handy-dandy thermal label on the back, and then I can tell that this is also an REFT style box, roll end front tuck, and then when I open it, it's kind of open like a clamshell style. It's one color printing on craft, black on craft, very simple style of ink. I'm going to do a flute identifier on this puppy, and I'm going to use the open flutes that are available to me in this section here to see what I'm working with here. Yep, perfect fit. We are looking at a bee flute. Bee flute is one of the most common types of corrugate. You're looking at a craft bee flute. I can tell because I've got a little peek-see on the inside here through this gap. Now, bee flute craft is the most common materials that boxes can be made out of. That's a great way to go, especially if you're focused on sustainability, because by using a common material, it's easy to access and won't be made custom for your brand. I'm going to use my blade to open this craft tape. Craft tape is a little bit easier to open than plastic, so you could actually kind of use a fingernail or something like that. And then I'm going to open it. All right, I can't see, but you can. I can't see, but you can. Ooh, they've got some messaging for me on the inside of the flap here. The average American makes 4.4 pounds of trash per day, but who wants to be average? This is a fun way of reminding me that it'd be great to actually use and consume and waste less, but also what I love is that they're helping me do that. So instead of just telling me moralistically, use less, do less, etc., they're helping me because here in this package, this box is recyclable. Then they're packing something else I bought in craft paper. I can unroll this and see that what I got here, I ordered mouthwash tablets. I want to be sparkly clean on the inside. Also, I like that these come and I don't have to ship water to get these. I can use water that I already have at home. Now, this craft paper is really simple and efficient. I think they're probably using a lot of this when you order, especially breakable things, but probably anything that needs to be packed, because this can be recycled easily in your blue bin. We've got another thing that they wrapped up that way. Ooh, it's dental floss. Okay, I'm doing oral hygiene. Now, I want to highlight something else. Look at this piece of paper. Really look at it with me, okay? It's got a bedraggled end here. Look at how bedraggled it is, all right? Now, am I highlighting the bedraggledness of this to make fun of them? No, I'm not, because this is a commitment to ripping off the tiniest piece of paper that you possibly can to pack my dental floss. Most brands would not put in this level of effort. They wouldn't give me a little bedraggled piece of paper. They would use a huge thing and wrap it all up to give me the confidence it was like super wrapped and super duper, but I don't need that because it's 2019 and my dental floss is going to arrive safely to me. They're really living their brand here. And this, to me, as funny as it is, really highlights their level of conviction around sticking to their brand promise. I also ordered doggy poop bags because I have a dog and he poops. So inside the box, underneath all my stuff, it says, "Remember, I'm not trash. I'm made from 100% post-consumer materials. Reuse, recycle, or compost me. Just please don't throw me in the trash." So they are really reminding me here how much I can do with this. They're also telling me that this box is 100% post-consumer. That is not your standard corrugate, actually. A lot of corrugate is a certain percentage post-consumer. Almost all of it has a certain percentage, but not all of it is 100%. So it's really cool that they're making that dedicated move, and it's extra cool that they're reminding me that there's all sorts of things I can do with this box before I resort to throwing it in the trash. I'm gonna actually pop this box open to show you the box assembly itself. I pop this flaps open them. That cascades into these front and back flaps popping down. You can see this is a very efficient box design. And again, simple, you've got craft material, black printing on both sides. Having messaging on the box allows them to not include collateral cards. There was no postcard, there was no magazine or pamphlet. You can also just go to their website to learn more. Other thing that I wanted to say here, packaging recycling pro tip, is it's really nice to actually break down your boxes like this. Then you can actually stack them up. It's easier to recycle them. They take up way less space in the recycling centers and in the recycling bins when you flatten them out. It's a really nice thing to do. Because we're reviewing the packaging of Package Free Shop, I wanted to highlight something else about the products that they sell. They have a really strong commitment to holding the brands that they sell to a really strict packaging policy, and they actually reach into the supply chain, into the brands that they work with to help them make their packaging more efficient. Here you've got a product. This isn't just floss. Most floss comes in a big plastic thing that's a single-use plastic that ends up being thrown into a landfill. This is a glass vial with a nice kind of dispenser on the top, and this glass vial is in a nice little craft carton, also easy to recycle alongside the other packaging that I received. So the commitment to reducing packaging for Package Free Shop goes from what they're doing themselves all the way into reaching into the supply chain of the brands that make the products that they sell as well. I think it's time to roll in the recap. Package Free Shop. Let's talk about the top 3 things they're doing that are making the packaging they do need to use really work for them. First up, it's waste-free. Now, I mean that. It's not a word that we use lightly because effectively they're using the minimal amount of packaging that they need to get you the items that you ordered. Second, it's committed. They are committed to the package-free lifestyle all the way down into the actual supply chain and the products that they sell, meaning they've even created frameworks for the brands that make the products they sell to strive for and to commit to before they can even have their products on their website. And third, it's packaging centric. This is where they really capture my heart. As a packaging lover and aficionado, people might think that I want to see the world use more packaging, but that's absolutely not true. I love their message of using packaging appropriately, when necessary, and as minimally as possible. And they're so committed to that message that they're carrying it through into the actual reason that the company exists. This has been Package Free Shop Unboxed.